my son. And upon reading those screenshots, doon ko napagtagpi-tagpi lahat na kaya pala hindi siya makapag-release ng statement. Dahil sila pa pala this whole entire time. I didn't know. I was in the dark. I didn't know. I had no idea. God knows. Ilang beses ako nagtanong. Ilang beses ako nanghingi ng statement. Doon ko rin na-realize bakit ganun yung reactions ni Jack. Now, I get her. I get her pain. I get her wrath. I get her anger. Kaya pala ganun. Because she was clueless about everything. I was clueless about everything. We both believed kung anong mga nasabi sa akin. Maybe iba yung sinabi sa kanya. And I can attest that iba yung sinasabi sa akin. That's my side of the story. I have so many things to say. Hindi pa ako makapaniwala. Papahinga pala ako ganito sa buhay ko.